of Thailand. And I was so shocked the first time that I attended a factory that is able to produce about 3,000 tons of starch per day. And after seeing that, I realized that it is possible to do that in Ghana. And so I decided that this project should come back to Ghana. Started this project 2021. And it wasn't so easy, but by His grace, it has led us to this far. And today we are meeting to thank God and also for prayers to be poured on this land that will be able to establish this particular dream. I would like to thank each and everyone that has made it possible to be here. I'll thank Nananum, especially Nanadu and Nanatubanso, for all the good work that they've done for us. When we started, it was a struggle, but they all did well, supported me, did everything possible to make this dream come to pass. And I would like to thank them greatly. I wouldn't also forget to thank the police command at Hafasini. Some of the issues always run to them, but they are able to solve this problem diligently and with wisdom. And I would like to thank you all. I would like to thank ECG, who did so greatly. When money was not there, they were able to stand in and do this work without me paying anything. I want to say a big thank you to you. I would like to thank the team, the head of the team from the 24-hour economy under the presidency and their presidential staffers. I want to thank you so greatly for taking the bull by the horn, so difficult. Yet you are pressing me that we have to visit here and make sure that government assists you. I want to say a big thank you to you all. On this note, I would like to say that today, being the 29th or 30th, 29th of July, inasmuch our God, who is able to do all things, today will establish a factory at Jomoro that by next year, 29th of July, something great will be here that will give glory to God and to Mother Ghana. We know that we have enemies. They are all distractors. We should forget about them. Because the first person who invented an umbrella had a big challenge. When he raised the umbrella, people started attacking that person because he was distracting them. But when it started raining, people started running to him to be covered by the same umbrella. And therefore, I trust the Almighty that this place will be a great place that Jomoro district will benefit from, and the people of Jomoro, the youth, will enjoy the fruit of this struggle that we've gone through. I would like to welcome all of you. That in all my struggles, I have one thing at heart, that the right thing should be done. Development should be brought to Jomoro district. That the youth will stop stealing coconut and be taking drugs. And I thank God that it is going to happen. I welcome all of you here, and may God bless you all.